Okay, assalamualaikum and a very good day. Okay, today will be our continuing our previous lesson. So today uh, we talk about function of trigonometry in Excel. So normally we will use a lot of sine, cosine, and tangent. But before we go into sine, cosine, and tangent, most of uh, thing that we should know is that we need to know how to convert between angle, between radians, and also between radian to degree. So these are two functions that you need to know, which is the degree is where you want to convert degree, radian to degree, and radian is where you want to convert degree to radian. So for example, you know that uh, one uh, one uh, 1 pi equals to 180 degrees. So here, for example, right, equals to degree, degree, and then we write it as pi. If you still remember, we already shown you this pi in previous lesson. So should be 180. Okay, so this one is how to convert degree to radians. So we convert by using the radian function, and then this one will be, for example, 180. Then you will get the value of, which is the value of pi. Okay, that is how you convert between radian to degree or degree to radian. And the thing that you should know that when you want to calculate your angle, your sine, cosine, and tangent, the default value in Excel is all the value in a radian. In radian, that one you should take note. So for example, you want to calculate sine 45. So what we should do is calculating sine. We put sine there, and then remember we need to change it to radians. Radians. Okay, then bracket 45. And close the bracket. Then we get the value. Okay, so here the same thing for cosine. We need to change it to radians. 45, sorry, 5. So you'll get the value. And for tangent, okay, don't worry, Excel is not case sensitive. So for example, when you put like this, and then radian, for example, you put like this, and then you put 45. So you still get the answer. Okay, so like I mentioned before, for sine, cosine, and tangent, the value should be in radian, or else you will get the value is actually, for example, you want to calculate sine 45, say actually 45 degrees, so you actually calculating sine 45 radian. Okay, so for sine, hyperbolic, sine, cosine, and tangent is just putting all the value, all the symbol with hyperbolic. So just sine, and then for example 2, and then enter and get the value. So gosh, 2. Okay, and then tangent hyperbolic, tangent hyperbolic 2. So to get the value. Okay, So uh, like I mentioned before, um, you should remember that uh, angle should be in degree, but that is only applicable. Angle should be in radian to calculate in Excel, but that's not in hyperbolic sine, hyperbolic cosine or tangent. It doesn't matter. Okay, because the value is not in angle or in radian. Okay, so I think that's all for today. Hopefully you get better understanding of using Excel. So we have a long journey to go. So have a try and thanks.